Welcome back to the Expert Drive. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury driving with the upcoming 2025 Toyota Century SUV. Prepare to be amazed by a vehicle that's about to redefine elegance, performance, and comfort in the world of luxury SUVs. For decades, the Toyota Century has been Japan's pinnacle of automotive luxury. Its iconic sedans have long been the choice of those seeking exclusivity and sophistication. But now, Toyota is breaking the mold. Imagine the Century transformed into a breathtaking SUV. At first glance, it stands tall and powerful, rivaling some of the biggest models on the road. But the real surprise comes when you step inside. Unlike many large SUVs designed to carry numerous passengers, the Century SUV is built to seat only 4. This intentional design allows for an extraordinary level of space and comfort. The rear seats are where luxury truly shines, offering a central position and the ability to recline in various ways for ultimate relaxation. Beneath its elegant exterior, the Century SUV is equipped with an advanced plug-in hybrid system. It features a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a sophisticated all-wheel drive setup. While exact figures aren't official, experts speculate it could match the Lexus TX 550h Plus, generating around 406 horsepower. But this isn't just about raw power. The hybrid system has been engineered with fuel efficiency in mind, continuing Toyota's legacy of creating vehicles that are powerful yet kind to the environment. As you drive, you'll experience seamless transitions between electric and engine power, giving you the best of both worlds, superior performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The 2025 Toyota Century SUV is set to make its debut soon, and anticipation is reaching a fever pitch. While it will initially be released in Japan, interest from around the world is growing rapidly. This isn't just a new model in Toyota's lineup. It's a bold step forward in luxury driving, combining tradition with cutting-edge innovation. Stay tuned for this remarkable vehicle. It's set to leave a lasting impact on the automotive world.